When we think of thinking and memory problems, we're going into a domain that we neurologists refer to as cognition. And there are domains or sections within cognition that we're particularly attentive to. Because memory is one, but there are other functions that are cognitive. One of them is called visual spatial orientation, the capacity to navigate the space, to know how to go from point A to point B without getting lost, to find our cars in the garage if we're trying to get back from the mall, for instance. That visual spatial orientation is one of the possible cognitive difficulties in Parkinson's. Memory is one too, but memory is mostly related to what is referred to as a retrieval problem, meaning that you're able to consolidate a memory, but you might have difficulty retrieving it, pulling it out from the brain, especially from the temporal lobes, which are where these memories are stored. And if you're offered a clue, that allows you to understand what is it that you were looking for. So visual spatial changes, retrieval problems with memory, and generation of categories, for instance, list of animals or a list of fruits. Those are also elements of what's referred to as executive function and part of language as well. And so we're also looking for these kinds of things. So there are several domains of cognition that are important to measure because they are differentially impaired in people who have Parkinson's compared to people who don't. There is more to learn about them, of course, and this is only one part of the many different types of tests that we have at the Cincinnati Cohort Biomarker Program. And together we can understand that better, and importantly, what it actually means to each of you individually. That is what the CCBP is all about, and we hope you can join us.